Modern software development teams are responsible for their code from inception through production. Building and maintaining complex open source language environments slows teams down, delaying time to market. ActiveState's platform automatically builds secure, compliant, dependency-complete language runtimes that can be updated on demand. You can use the ActiveState platform to tailor your environment for development, testing, or production to suit the needs of your team. You start by creating a project with one or more language runtimes. Alternatively, we can extract the details directly from your source control. The platform will handle resolving and building all of the necessary dependencies to your organization's specifications across platforms. Instead of sharing a wiki page with a giant list of installation instructions, you can use the ActiveState platform to onboard new hires and other teams instantly. Just copy-paste the link and anyone can install the full development environment. Once you receive the link, you can install it using the CLI by just running state activate on that URL. The platform will download and install all language runtimes and packages and clone your project repo. Finally, while our instance is running, we'll be alerted in real time to any vulnerabilities or updates in any of the dependencies. If possible, the platform will build an already remediated version if the solution is available.